Why are there not more people talking about this simple fix for your Dell laptop battery issue? You're about to save the day with a quick tip. Alright, so your Dell laptop is acting up, saying the battery's not installed and the time's all wrong? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, make sure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Now flip it over and carefully remove the back panel. Look for the battery and CMOS. That's the small, round silver thingy. Chances are they're not connected properly. Gently press them back into their sockets until you hear a click. Once that's done, close up your laptop, plug it back in, and turn it on. You'll need to set the time and date again in the setup program, but that's a piece of cake. And there you go, no more annoying errors. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you next time.